Trailer.
The world wasn't like people. His eyes were closer, and the future looked uncertain.
Start our conversation today.
Yes, I'm very prepared. How? So are you ready to start?
Are you also ready?
Aku paling benar.
Hah?
Mau bantu? Oh iya.
Udah ada. Udah dicoba aku nih. Oh, hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Dina Lubis. In beside me.
Saya Anta. We are. We are student of
Ya,
yoga.
Allah.
Hi everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sally Alita, and beside me,
Hello guys, my name is Ahmad Dina Lubis.
we are student of Rio University, Faculty of Fisheries and Marine, majoring in Fisheries Resource Utilization.
Now we will discuss topics that happened a few years ago and shocked all people in the world, especially in Indonesia, namely COVID-19. This discussion must be very interesting. For that, let's follow our conversation. Hi Lita, how are you doing today?
I'm fine today. How about you?
I'm fine too today. So, are you ready to start our conversation today?
Yes, I'm very prepared. Are you also ready?
Yes, why not?
Before, what did you know about COVID-19?
After me, COVID-19 is a disease outbreak caused by a new type of virus called coronavirus. Do you know what coronavirus is?
Yes, I know. Coronavirus is a group of virus that attack the respiratory system. Do you know where this virus comes from?
From the news, I watched this virus originated in the city of Wuhan in China in 2019.
Oh, that means this virus is called COVID-19 because the beginning of this disease appeared in 2019, right?
Right, just as you said. Did you know that Indonesia is included in the 15 countries with the highest active corona cases in the world?
I'm really sorry to hear it.
Yes, but that is the fact. So, do you know how this virus is transmitted so that it causes a worldwide pandemic?
This virus will be contagious when we hold our mouth or nose without washing our hands first. After touching each other by people with COVID-19, and we come into direct contact with people with COVID-19 without using masks.
Oh, so that's the reason why the government requests us not to go out of the house and must wear masks.
That's right. So what have you done to prevent the spread of this virus?
I always wash my hands with soap and running water, especially before and after eating. As well as after using the toilet, I also use a mask.
Good. Those are important steps in preventing the spread of the virus. Do you also avoid crowds and non-essential activities?
Yes, I avoid crowds as much as possible and only get out of the house when absolutely necessary. I also try maintain my health by eating nutritious food and exercising.
That sounds good.
What do you think about lockdown policies during the pandemic?
I understand that lockdown are necessary.
What do you think about lockdown policies during the pandemic?
I understand that lockdown are necessary to control the spread of the virus. Even though it's difficult for many people. What about your opinion?
Yes, I also agree, although it's a difficult but very necessary to control the spread of this virus.
How do you think about people who do obey orders like this lockdown?
I feel very concerned about people who do not obey orders, even though this it all to prevent the spread of this pandemic.
Yes, I totally agree with that.
Yes, that's the reality I see.
By the way, how did you and your family feel when COVID-19 was happening?
I find it very difficult and quite challenging to conform to the regulation of the government. How about you? Do you find it's difficult to like me?
Of course, I find it difficult too, especially since my parents are old, so we are extra careful.
Does your school conduct online learning?
Yes. Terbang pula.
So, what do you feel, Lita?
I feel strange at first, but slowly I feel that it was a good thing. How about you?
My school had online learning too. Although it was effective, but I missed the school environment. Do you miss it too?
Sometimes yes, I miss the interaction at school, but overall I think learning from home has its advantages.
Yes, I also agree.
Do you feel bored during the pandemic?
Of course, I'm bored because I can't get out of the house.
Yes, I also feel bored. So how do you feel the Gak apa-apa.
I overcome it by playing games and exercise more. What about you?
Yes, I also encourage exercise and cooking so that our bodies are healthy and avoid disease.
Three means you can cook.
Of course, I can cook.
By the way, has anyone from your family been affected by this virus?
Yes, one of my family got this virus.
Has your infected family recovered?
I'm so sorry.
Yes, it is healed.
Yes, one of my family got this virus. Kayaknya tadi aku udah bilang gitu deh.
I'm so sorry. So, how do you deal with it if you have been exposed to the virus?
Only self-isolate.
Has your infected family recovered?
Yes, he is healed and healthy as before.
I'm glad to hear that.
What do you think about the COVID-19 vaccine?
The COVID-19 vaccine, I think that's great news. And I hope everyone is vaccinated to avoid this virus.
How has this pandemic affected your social activities?
I had to limit social activities and follow the rules set by the government to keep myself and others healthy.
How do you maintain social relationships during this pandemic?
I stay connected with friends and family through video calls and text messages, as well as having virtual meetings, although it's not like meeting in person. Are you like me?
Yes, I also often have virtual meetings as well. Have you ever experienced stress during a pandemic?
Yes, I have occasionally experienced stress because of this pandemic.
Really? What do you do to deal with stress?
I tried relaxation techniques like meditation and deep breathing to reduce stress and anxiety. Is there anything else you want to talk about?
Looks like this enough. Maybe we have a chance to talk about a lot of other things, right?
Yes, it seems that we have to arrange another meeting time to talk.
Of course.
What are you going to do after this?
It seems that I will go home for the time being.
Okay, nice to talk with you, Lita.
Alright, nice to see you today.
Okay, be careful on the way home and see you again.
Thank you.
Guys, that's the result of the discussion we had earlier. Hopefully, those of you who watch will gain more knowledge about COVID-19. I'm Ahmad Juliadi Lubis.
And I'm Sally Alita. We signing off. Bye bye.
Bye.